Hi Voxels, welcome back to my channel. I know that a lot of people is still using brushes to do shadows, and let's suppose that it may be wrong. It is not always a good idea because there are faster ways to do that, getting the same result. If you are an artist and you are making lovely handmade shadows, your method may be nice, and I will not touch it because I still do that in digital painting. But today we are talking about productivity, so let's learn new life-saving tips for designer. There is a white background right here, but layers are telling that I'm lying, because if I toggle that, shadows will appear. Layer style, that's why! We got a background, and here we got a layer with paintings. Double click on the layer, add shadows, and here we are. We can call it dynamic shadows because I can paint over my white background with a white brush and my shadows will automatically follow the lines. You will not waste time anymore doing shadows manually. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.